Hi, Tom Snow here again. In the previous series I talked about how cool Vidnami is and how super easy it is to use to create powerful videos in just minutes. So today I'm going to discuss who needs Vidnami. So who does need it to create beautiful marketing videos? Well, how about people who want to create videos for affiliate marketing or any kind of business? It's especially great if you don't like making videos. Vidnami is just too cool and too easy to use. It creates fantastic professional videos, especially if you don't want to show your face like I'm doing here, or you're afraid of showing your face. With Vidnami, you don't have to, especially if you don't like your voice. If you don't want to talk over your videos like I'm doing here, you don't have to. Vidnami is cool. So who does need it? Well, first, affiliate marketers. People who want to do affiliate marketing on YouTube or any other video platform on the web. It's good for experienced, high-ticket affiliate marketers, as well as newbies who are struggling to begin affiliate marketing. It's good for e-commerce. It's good for marketing agencies. It's good for consultants. It's good for local businesses that just want to solve their own needs and don't want to pay anybody else. It's so low cost that anybody can have it, anybody can use it. Super low cost, great software that lives in the cloud. Like I said, I've used it for years. It's fantastic. So today we just scratched the surface on who needs Vidnami. Upcoming, we're going to get into some more details on Vidnami's great features. So stay tuned for other series and other informational teaching videos, as well as check out the discounts above. Be sure to click on the subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming video as they are released. To your success.